9 and 1, 10. And here again, we have that modality of the black and white. So I found that to be so intriguing and fun. I mean, I spent hours kind of putting all this stuff together because it made such sense to me. All right, the last color, of course, is gray, which of course shows you that we are taking now the black and the white. We mixed them together. We have gray, and gray is depicted in the Hierophant. It is depicted in the Justice, meaning unite your opposites. And gray has to do with neutralizing, renewal, when we see it in the Judgment card. The figures are now gray. The figures are now united. And of course, you have the conscious, the unconscious, and the superconsciousness depicted. So gray is the end results. Gosh, if you have any questions, folks, feel free to contact me, email me. I'll have my email address. I know this was a lot of information. This video is going to be divided maybe in 2 and 3 ways with this darn camera. I apologize for that ahead of time, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Take care. Bye.